to how to loosen up your painting. I thought in this short video I'm going to just show you some highlights from the course, what you're going to see and what the lessons look like. This is just a sampling. There's a lot more coming, and you'll get an idea of what you can enjoy in the course.
You learn how to set up your painting, mix the colors required, and develop the painting. We don't leave anything out. We cover various topics, landscapes, seascapes, and you'll learn how to complete and sign off your very own painting in a loose and impressionist style. Brushwork techniques are covered, drawing difficult subjects, color choices, and we cover different subjects so you'll get a nice rounding for your paint styles. Mixing paint for water, the color choices involved, plus your free workbook.
Okay, I hope that looked good to you and that you're keen to get started with your lessons. If you've never painted before, I do recommend that you also get into the foundation course that I offer called Learn to Paint with Impact. But if you're ready to start, then let's carry on and learn how to loosen up your painting.